Welcome to our complete guide on how to change your gender in Polybuzz. Polybuzz is a platform that celebrates inclusivity and gives users the ability to express their true identities. Let's dive into how you can update your gender options. First, let's navigate to your profile settings. Open the Polybuzz app and click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. From there, select Settings to access your profile. In the Settings menu, you'll find the option for Gender Identity. Click on it to begin the process of changing your gender. This section outlines the various identity options available to you. Now comes the fun part. Polybuzz offers a variety of gender options to choose from. Take your time to select the one that resonates with you, whether it's male, female, non-binary, or another identity. Once you've selected your gender, don't forget to update your display name and pronouns. This helps others recognize your identity and fosters a more supportive environment. You might also want to adjust your privacy settings related to your gender information. In the privacy section, review who can see your profile details to ensure your comfort. After updating your settings, submit your gender change request. The Polybuzz team will review it and notify you once it's processed. Expect a confirmation message shortly. Remember, feedback from the community can be invaluable. Engage with supportive members who can share their experiences and offer encouragement during your transition. Creating a welcoming environment is key. Share your journey, be open to discussions, and educate others to foster understanding and acceptance. In conclusion, changing your gender in Polybuzz is a straightforward process focused on your identity and comfort. Be sure to utilize the resources available for additional support. And remember, you're not alone in this journey.